Today I'm going to show you a dessert called butter mochi. It's reminiscent of some of the Filipino desserts that we have. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's really easy to make and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Start by preheating your oven to 350. In a large mixing bowl, add a box of Mochiko rice flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Also add a pinch of salt and then mix until combined. In a separate bowl, combine 5 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of water, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by mixing the dry ingredients as you gradually add the liquid mixture. Once you have them both combined, mix until you get a smooth batter. At this point as well, you'll want to add about a half a cup of melted butter. Normally this dessert is made in a 9x13 cake pan, so if you want to, you could definitely go that way and cut your mochi into squares. But if you want to take the road less traveled, follow me. In my version, I'm using a cupcake pan to make individual servings and line that pan with banana leaf. This is going to give my butter mochi a subtle aromatic flavor and a rustic presentation. So what you see me doing here is I'm passing my banana leaf over a hot burner on the stove. And I'm just doing this very quickly and briefly, and what this is going to do is the heat is going to release the oils that are inside, making the leaf more pliable and easier to work with. So I'm just using a paper cupcake liner to serve as a template while I cut out my shapes. And then from there I'm just going to cut some slits along the sides so that I can form them into cups. Now once you fill your cups with the mixture, simply put in the oven and bake for about 35 minutes until the tops are golden brown. So that was it. That was our recipe for butter mochi. I hope you enjoyed it and I really hope you try it out at home. It's easy to do. Which brings me to my question of the day. What is the best dessert you discovered while on vacation? Let me know in the comments down below and I will see you next time. Take care.